If you have already downloaded your template, what you're going to do is open it up with Canva. And after you finish editing it, you want to export it as a PNG. This is very important, or else the file will be too large to upload onto the Acuity website. Be sure to save it somewhere very accessible just to make it easier to find when it's time to upload. Next, go to the Acuity website and select Customize Appearance. Once you get there, scroll down until you see this box. This is where you will be adding the design. To add the actual design, there are two ways you can do it. The first way is to click Insert Image and locate the file manually. The next way is just to drag each image into the box one at a time. After you add them, you will notice these gaps. To remove them, just put your cursor where the gap is and hit Delete on your keyboard. This will get rid of it. If you want to customize your design a little more, you can scroll down to this box down here and change the color. I saved the hex code from the design, so I just copy the number and paste it into the correct field. Once you're done, just save it, and then if you would like to see how your client will see it, scroll here and select View Live. Once you click View Live, it's going to show you exactly how your client is going to see it. So just make sure everything is how you want it to look before you click off, or else it's going to save it like that. If you like this template and you would like to purchase it, I do have it listed on my Etsy site. It's available there now. You can just click the link in the bio to go ahead and purchase it.